What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to teach you a trading pattern that you must take every time you see this develop on the charts, okay? Listen, guys, today's video will be jam-packed full of lessons that could hopefully help you on your journey. It is my desire to be your mentor. It is my desire to be your coach, okay? And part of what I want to do is teach you guys how to fish. And on that journey, it is making sure that you guys understand these concepts in such a way that you guys can go out and apply what's being taught, but more importantly, get some real results, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the charts, and yeah, let's, we don't do no China boy copy here.
Drop it.
Okay, so we go to the charts, guys. Listen, wait, let me make myself clear. I am the OG of 1348. Trade1348.com. Promo code Prince City. Get your first month for $5. All right. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm gonna ante it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this free chart here. I'll include a link to this chart so you guys can use it, because who does technical analysis on Yahoo Finance charts and on the 2 minutes? All right. So we're going back to the charts here. This is 1348. Boys and girls, how do you play this? Well, first off, you should be playing this on a 5-minute or larger time frames. However, the double top pattern, technical analysis is just bullshit, all right? I've made millions of dollars in this market just simply trading momentum and understanding what the charts teach me or tell me, if you will, okay? And I teach you how to read what the chart is telling you in the simplest of fashions. And after you go ahead and download this chart, link down in the description, make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications so you can get updates to my videos as we break down the more basic indicators that accompany Trade 1348. And then I'm going to blow your head with some more advanced indicators that we have made and proprietary to the Trade1348.com community, okay? The fastest growing community out there, over 16,000 members. There's proof in concept, and there's so much social proof as well. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Okay, so back to the charts. Here we go. We got 1348. So what is this? Well, 1348, boys and girls, is the call here. When the 13 crosses the 48, you are bullish. So therefore, you buy the stock or you go long, right? Buy options. We like to play options, okay? So the call, pre-market, can't play options. So you'd go long. In this example, we get to go ahead and make some monies here, right? That's a 1% move right before market open. Now, if you're wondering why you get a rejection, well, we have levels for you. And this free chart, boys and girls, as long as you have TradingView, prints these levels for absolutely nothing, meaning it does it for you. It's autonomous. It's dynamic. Gotta love it. A put signal is when the 13 crosses below the 48. As you guys could see here, we got the blue crossing below the red here, which is blue 13, red 48. And what we have here as well is the 200 EMA. Now, we have rules to this, okay? And in these rules, you'll see we have the EMA trend as a call. The 200 EMA bias is, in fact, to calls, right? So we have to fast forward here. I want you guys to pay particular attention to a couple of things here. The best play on the SPY today happened at or about 140. 135, okay? We had the SPY come all the way down to a level, all right? And then it bounced. But how do we know it's going to bounce? Well, first, I want to clue you in on the MACD here, boys and girls, right? So standard settings on the MACD is 12, 26, and 9, right? And what we find here is that these settings are quite noisy. And noisy is a bad thing, right? Especially for new traders who are trying to control their emotions, right? You don't want erratic indicators. You want smoother indicators. And what we find is our settings smooth out the MACD to allow you to trade with confidence. In fact, I do live tradings in our masterclass section each and every Wednesday. I just trade with calm. Go ahead, check out the community. They'll tell you the same. Going back to the chart here, let's go ahead and readjust our MACD settings. Guys, if you're just using Webull, you could do this too. Just simply change this to 24, 52, and 18. It smooths everything out. It keeps you in the trend longer despite the willy-nilly that's happening. But let's go ahead and read this. Now, these levels are printed for you automatically. It's not just about the 1348 cross, it's about levels, and this helps you get the fuller picture. Now, we see price action come down to a level. We were signaled with this line being plotted. We saw loss of momentum of the MACD where we went from dark red to light pink. Furthermore, RSI. No one really talks about the RSI relative to 1348, right? Because they're too busy using Yahoo charts. Well, when you get the RSI breaking above its moving average here, you are bullish. Hence, we get the break. You see RSI now turns green. Now, this is a custom RSI that we're giving to you absolutely free. You know, we understand that people just like crayons and colors, right? It really helps you go through the progressions of reading your indicators. Once we get a break of the moving average, it's all systems go. We're carried into momentum with RSI breaking 50. The rule of this game, boys and girls, is when RSI is above 50, you are in a bull cycle. Below 50, you are in a bear cycle. As you can see here, you break below 50 as it rejects from this level, 412.42. I mean, we don't need double tops to see that it's going to reject. So we get the break below 50 here, below its moving average. We are bearish up to a point where it got severely oversold. And this is another clue and an indication of a bounce. And this is actually a trade that I was able to capitalize on and members of our community were able to capitalize on. Now, what we have here is we have the cross. Again, we're led by momentum of the RSI here, breaking above its moving average, breaking above 50. We have the cross of the MACD, very, very smooth as price action breaks above its 48. Then breaking above the 200 EMA, which then confirms our bias of this signal as the 13 breaks above the 48. You go long here. You buy stocks or you open up a few contracts, call options here, which then brings you all the way up to this level so you know where the play ends. Yes, and what we have here is a very simplistic trade, 1348 Genie. EMA trend is calls, 200 EMA bias calls, RSI is bearish, and MACD is bearish. Now, why? In this moment in time, after hours, we are bearish. RSI did break below its moving average. So this Genie here simplifies the trade and gives you a little more insight as to what 1348 is. But now we're going to take it a step further. I want to show you guys. Again, you can check this all out at trade1348.com. Promo code PRINCECITY. We go ahead and show you what we offer our master's class session, right? I'm going to open up this master chart here. And here we're going to see what we call traffic lights. These are proprietary traffic lights. These help you identify sideways movement. As you can see here, helps you identify a trend break as price action breaks below the 24 EMA. In fact, if you guys are on Webull and you want to add the 13 to 48 EMA and the 200 EMA, go right ahead. Also add the 24 because the 24 gives you a clue on momentum shift as it breaks through the 24 and then comes up to the 13 and then you get a call signal. And the opposite is true if you're in fact bearish. But we do get the signal here with the traffic light coming down, price action breaking below the 24, which is this gray line here. And of course, leading us into the put signal. Essentially, what we've done is created an algorithm that allows you to front run these signals, allowing you to profit hugely. Let's go ahead and look at some of the other indicators. Of course, you guys know about RSI, but here, right? If you need more indication of a breakthrough here, we have our proprietary thigh gap indicator, known as a reversal indicator. As you can see, you see weakness in momentum. You get your pinpoint accuracy for a reversal, which happens right here on this candle. And then you get the parabolic SAR guiding you into victory. Guys, let's go ahead and measure this play out here. This is a $5.62 move. Playing same day options, this is probably a 200% banger. But we got you in thanks to our indicators. Furthermore, we got you in before even the traffic light or the call signal on 1348, okay? So again, I want you guys to just go ahead and download the free chart. It's here. It's for you. Play with it on larger time frames, especially those who have day jobs and work 9 to 5. Use this to be able to identify shifts in momentum. As you can see here, put signal price action breaks below the 200 EMA. You can capture this put here and come all the way down to 380. Of course, playing relative to the rules here, you establish a level, RSI breaks above its moving average, and then we're guided right back into a call, which is the meat of the move, and currently the SPY is in a call trend. I hope you guys learned something. Again, check it out at trade1348.com. Also, check out Short to Vic's YouTube channel. He streams publicly covering the basics and the more advanced strategies of 1348. Guys, you know, listen, we're very, 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 I guess, what's the word I'm looking for? We're very devoted to the strategy, right? Make sure that you're educated on what the strategy truly is. Right? It's what's helped me make a lot of money in this market, an awful lot of money, more so than, you know, the guy who just copied the strategy without really giving you the details to the strategy and also using Yahoo Finance charts. And of course, I'm giving you this chart for free. Put it to use and then go ahead and check me out at trade1348.com. I promise you guys what I'm going to teach you is really what's going to set you free, teach you how to fish. Really teach you how to fish. All right. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.